Sabi naman ni Jeffrey Salvador, in one of the cases decided by the Supreme Court, it was held that the court shall decide the case relying not on the weakness of the defense, but on the evidence presented by the prosecution. Presumption of innocence. Tama po, Sir Jeffrey, no? Kahit na walang ebidensya po yung akusado, ang titingnan lang po ng korte when judging the guilt of an accused is the evidence to be produced by the prosecution. So hindi po kailangang magbigay ng ebidensya even ang isang akusado kasi presumption of innocence nga. He is presumed innocent. It is the duty of the prosecution to overcome that presumption of innocence. Kaya po mahirap talaga ang pag-prove ng crime. Kasi ang penal laws po natin are strictly construed against the state and liberally construed in favor of the accused. So, if in case, after the prosecution and the accused have presented their respective evidence, if sa tingin po ng korte na kung meron siyang pagdududa sa ebidensya ng prosecution, sinasabi po ng batas na the justice should tilt in favor of the accused. Maa-acquit po ang accused kung may kahit konting pagduda kung talaga bang may kasalanan ang isang akusado.